Hey guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox a UGREEN USB-C hub. This is a Type-C 3.1 adapter dock which has got a 4K HDMI port. It has got 3 USB 3 ports. It has got a power output of 60 watts and it can connect to any of the laptops and desktops or any mobile device which includes a USB Type-C. I put in the Amazon link in the description in case you would like to buy it. Let's look at the specifications. It costs around 103 dirhams or 28 US dollars from amazon.ae. Let's open the box and see what does it contain. Very minimalistic packing. A couple of cards, thank you card with support contact details from UGREEN and a user manual. Just basic stuff, nothing much. Let's see what does the box contain, how does the device look like. As stated earlier, it works with any device which has got a Type-C connection, which includes your Samsung mobile phones. So it also supports Samsung DeX. That means you can connect a Samsung supported DeX supported mobile phone and connect it to a screen, keyboard, mouse, and you have a fully functional desktop. And the build quality of the device is quite nice. It is metal. I think let's check it out in the next video for a full review. Thanks for watching.